She wears a self-confident smile.
इसकी चेहरे पर खुद एतमादी मुस्कुराहट है.
Smile.
To make your mouth curve upwards, in order to be friendly or because you are happy or amused. He smiled his consent of marriage.
उसने मुस्कुराकर शादी की हामी भरी.
Sometimes fortune smiles on me.
कभी न कभी तकदीर मुझ पर मुस्कुराती है.
She smiled they tear away.
उनके आंसुओं को मुस्कुराहटों से रफा दफा किया.
They smiled at my feeble attempts.
वो मेरी अधूरी कोशिशों पर मुस्कुराते रहे.
I smiled them into agreement.
मैंने उन्हें हंसी हंसी में रजामंद कर लिया.
A little, not in a happy or friendly way. She smiled thinly. He would be sorry one day. Very happily, with a wide smile. I sat in my office smiling broadly. In a friendly way. The lady looked at me and smiled warmly. A little. I saw her smile faintly at the marriage. In a friendly way, sometimes not sincerely. He smiled sweetly and sat near to me. In a slightly sad way. I'm sorry, he said, and smiled ruefully. When a situation is bad but also amusing. They looked at each other and smiled wryly to themselves. When pleased or amused in an unpleasant situation. The policeman smiled grimly when he transferred.
2, 3, go.
Grin.
To give a big smile. He grinned at me from the doorway.
उसने दरवाजे से मुझ पर मुस्कुराया.
Beam.
To give a big happy smile for a long time, because you are very pleased or proud. The child beamed at his teacher as he received the award.
एवार्ड मिलते ही बच्चा अपने उस्ताद के साथ बहुत शगुफ्ता हुआ.
Smirk.
To smile in an unpleasant way, for example because you are pleased about someone else's bad luck or because you know something that someone else does not know. I don't like the way he winks and smirks at me whenever he sees me.
जब भी वो मुझसे मिलता है तो मुझे जिस तरह आंख मारता और हंसता है मुझे ये पसंद नहीं.
Simper.
To smile in a silly and annoying way. I hated the way she simpered every time a man spoke to her.
मुझे इसके तर्स से नफरत थी जब भी कोई आदमी उसके साथ बात करता तो बेवकूफाना मुस्कुराती थी.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.